Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable of Coordinator of Economic Education Study Program, Dr. Agus Wibowo, SPDI MPD, the Honorable Coordinator of the Accounting Education Study Program, Ati Sumiati MM, the Honorable the Supervisor, Wikismayanti, SPD MAK, and Ati Sumiati MM. My name is Anggita Rahmadani Kurniawati from Economic Education Study Program, Concentration in Accounting Education 2020. On this occasion, I will present my thesis proposal with the title The Influence of Learning Facility, Learning Discipline, and Computer Self-Efficacy on Computer Accounting Learning Outcomes. The following are the main points of discussion. There will be discussion about introduction, literature review, and research methods. Entering the first discussion is about background research. Technological development is a phenomenon that cannot be avoided in human life today, including in the field of education. Currently, the education system in Indonesia has implemented the Society 5 era with focus on technology and humanity. Through the implementation of the independent learning curriculum, students are given the freedom to learning but still apply the Pancasila student profile so that they can from study who have global insight, are adaptive, creative, and have the ability to solve problems in the current era Society 5. Formal education institutions that have implemented the independent learning curriculum are vocational high school. In this case, educators have a responsibility to prepare and provide students with knowledge and skill in using technology, on of which is computer. The use of computer in accounting skill program make it easier from educator to learning accounting computer. Computer accounting is one of the subjects that focus on operating computer software. In this subject, students are taught the skill of presenting financial report, resulting starting from inputting, processing or journaling using and computer program. Out of 108 students in the 12th grade accounting class at Vocational High School 13 Jakarta, 52.78% of the students have reached the minimum required score, while the remaining 47.22% have not yet achieved the minimum score. Problem faced when carrying out accounting computer learning. 1. Technical problem related to the internet network at school. 2. The problem with student competency is that students do not fully understand manual accounting properly. 3. Students have not yet mastered account names in English terms well. 4. Some students do not understand the flow of creating a database, especially importing data. Based on the background that has been explained, three are research questions of three variables. 1. Is there an influence of learning facility on learning outcomes in accounting computer training courses? Second is 3. An influence of learning discipline on learning outcomes in computer accounting training course. Third is there are influence of computer self-efficacy on learning outcomes in accounting computer training course. The next subject of discussion relates to the theoretical basic of each variable. The first variable is learning outcomes. According to Saputra Insahitini and Trisnawati 2021, learning outcomes are the final result of learning the student obtained after completing learning activity. The second variable is learning facility. Learning facility are requirement needed in learning activity with the aim the learning can run effectively, smoothly, and efficiently. Angrayani and Imaniati 2018. The next variable in discipline to Sumantri 2010 in age Handayani and Subakti 2022 explain the learning discipline is the obligation of all students to carry out their learning obligation consultancy. And the last variable is computer self-efficacy. Computer self-efficacy according to Lestara Permana and Cindy Rosiana 22 is an assessment carried out to see person capability and skill in operating a computer. In addition, the research relevant by previous research used in this study was research conducted by Susanti et al. 2001. School learning facility consistently have a positive influence on student learning outcomes. 2. Matusikolah and Rossi 2021 learning discipline that have a significant influence on student learning outcomes. 3. Saufika and Mahmud 2019 computer self-efficacy on myop learning achievements show that there is a positive and significant influence of computer self-efficacy on myop learning achievement. Next, theoretical framework. The influence of learning facility on learning outcomes, Santoso and Listiadi 2019 and P. Rahmawati et al. 2019, learning facility have a significant influence on learning outcomes. 2. The influence of learning discipline on learning outcome, Sianipar et al. 2023 and Misnawati and Widodo 2017 study discipline has a significant influence on learning outcomes. 3. The influence of computer self-efficacy on learning outcome, Destia Romah and Surya Wibowo 2023 and Saufika Mahmud 2019 computer self-efficacy has a positive and significant influence on learning outcomes. Time and place of research. Time approximately 5 months using 3 research locations, namely Vocational High School 13 Jakarta, Vocational High School 14 2 Jakarta, and Vocational High School 14 5 Jakarta. Sample and population. The population of this research was 252 class 12 accounting students at Vocational High School 13 Jakarta, Vocational High School 14 2 Jakarta, and Vocational High School 14 5 Jakarta. The number of samples used in the research was 215 people. Next, research design. In this research, the author uses quantitative approach. Next, data collection technique. The data used primary data. Data collection used in the research used a survey method by distributing questionnaire and documentation to obtain learning result. The data management technique is the research used the statistical packs for the social science software. Data analysis in this research include 1. Validity and reliability test, 2. Test descriptive analysis, 3. Multiple linear regression, 4. Analysis hypothesis testing. So that for my presentation, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.